What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be fixing an issue that my 350Z has ever since I've purchased it. The hatch will not open through the remote control or the button outside. To open the hatch I actually need to go inside and pull the little cord, but with the bucket seats now the access is really hard, so it's a pain. Today we're going to be heading to the junkyard to find the part. Problem on my car is the actual motor, because I know it's getting juice but it's not opening, like it's not unlatching. So I just need a new or used motor and hope it works. I'm glad I was able to fix this issue. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow.